Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we have a super quick video. I just bought this test pipes for my 350Z. If you guys watched my previous videos, last week I bought a 350Z, and it does have an exhaust leak, and it's from the Y pipe. So I went and bought a Y pipe, which I already have it. You know, I'm just waiting for it to put it on, and then might as well just buy new catless test pipes, since I want the car to be a little bit louder. And yeah, and then the catalytic converters, they look like from factory, so they're probably all clogged up and shit. So I was like, might as well just get this, make it a little louder and sound better. So these are circuit Werks test pipes, and I heard that should sound really good. I was gonna buy Megan Racing, but then some people were saying me that they are not as good. To get this, they sound better, and I think they're a little cheaper, I believe. I'm not sure, but I bought them eBay. They were like 80 bucks, I think it was like 80 for both of them. So quick unboxing. I haven't even looked at them yet. I just opened the box, and then I remember just to do a quick unboxing video of it. All right, let's see what we got here. Alright, simple pipe. This looks pretty good. You have your O2 bong, of course, and they're kind of cold. They've been sitting outside like for 5 hours already. I wasn't home, and then I got the message saying that they got in, and they do come with flex pipes. I don't know why they added flex pipe to it, because the Y pipe already have flex pipes on them, but it's nice that they have flex pipe, you know. That one, and then the other one, exactly the same thing, so you guys don't have to see that. And it does comes with the hardware that you need. It comes with 2 gaskets, and then it comes with a bunch of bolts, and then I'm guessing like extenders for your O2 bong. I don't know what these are for, but they're for the O2 bong. And I was gonna go and buy hardware, so luckily I didn't went and got hardware, because they do come with them. And yeah, it comes with the gaskets. 3 gaskets, I think. Actually 4 gaskets. It comes with 4 gaskets. Oh, yeah, of course. And yeah, not bad. That's all it comes in the box. So for 80 bucks, they look pretty good. I am making a video when I put them on. It's been raining and it's been cold, so I might just have the shop do it down the street. I know the guy in here always hooks me up with a super cheap price. Because right now my garage is with my brother's car. I cannot work on my garage, and it's raining, it's wet and snowy outside, so I might just have him do it, depending how much he charges me. If not, I'll just do it myself in a couple days once it gets nicer outside. Yeah, but anyways guys, thanks for watching this video, and if you guys want to see how they sound, make sure to click the subscribe button, and hopefully I put them on tomorrow. I'm not sure if the shop's gonna have time to put them on, but if I don't put them on tomorrow, I'll do it myself in a couple days. So anyways guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.